In this video, we will show you how you can prepare train data model for Quanery machine learning to categorize your incoming queries. First, let's go to Query Categorization settings to set up train data model. Select your website and date range to download sampled data. Open the downloaded sampled data. Here, you can label the categories for each query based on its meaning and analysis objectives. For example, we will label queries which contain Aloha brand name as brand, and those queries without Aloha but contains Hong Kong or HK as generic HK. Similarly, we set up several more different categories. After naming the query categories, save the file and upload it back to Quanery to train the machine learning model. Then, we will proceed to Query Distribution to obtain an overview of our website queries and categorized result data. Here, select the Query Categorization model, the website you would like to analyze, and the period of query data collection. The pie chart shows search engine performance, impressions and clicks contributed by each query category. The chart on the right includes key metrics measuring the performance of each query category. Then, below is an overview of top 20 queries of the given period, and if you want to get the full set of your categorized results, a full set of the data is available for download in the tab Query Categorization. So let's proceed to it. Select the categorization model, the website you would like to analyze, and the date range of query data collection. Then, proceed to download. After downloading, here's a complete set of queries, well sorted into groups according to their meanings. Apply a filter to see individual categories. You can also arrange the data in descending order of impressions, depending on your objectives. By consolidating and comparing impressions, click-through rate of queries, and their groups, we can identify which keyword terms can be further optimized. You will gain a deeper understanding on what customers are actually looking for.